Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix YouTube space bar pass not working. When watching YouTube videos on computer, you can easily pause and unpause the video by using the space bar. This keyboard shortcut can save your time and make your YouTube experience more convenient to pause or unpause a video with the space bar. Follow the steps. Open a YouTube video on your computer and make sure the video player is in focus by clicking anywhere within the video frame. Press the space bar or to pause the video. To resume playback, press the space bar again and the video player is not in focus. The most common reason for the space bar not pausing a YouTube video is the video player is not in focus. So if you are clicked elsewhere on the page, such as the comment section or video description or anywhere on empty part, the spacebar will not pause the video. And browse the compatibility issues. Some browsers may have the compatibility issues with the YouTube's video player, catching the spacebar pass function. The malfunction solution: try using a different browser such as Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge to see if the issue persists, and wait and refresh the page occasionally. YouTube platform glitches can pass a gas the spacebar pass function to stop working, and wait for a few minutes and refresh the YouTube page and try using the spacebar pass function again and report the issue to YouTube. If none of the above solutions work, consider YouTube reporting the issue to YouTube and scroll down to the button of the YouTube webpage. Click on the send feedback option in left sidebar and describe the issue with the spacebar pass function and submit your feedback by following these troubleshooting steps. And thanks for watching this.